Won't you meet me down by Barrack Street, where the sailors all come in to greet their family.
David Keenan, welcome to Tutu. Thank you so much for joining us. You've been a busy man for the last couple of years. You're only 22 years old. What were you doing over in the UK?
I just went just to soak up new cultures and meet new people. Then I came back in November of last year. I had the privilege of supporting Damien Dempsey, who's been a constant in my kind of musical sphere since I was about 14.
Mapping the streets in the creases of her palm.
I got into songwriting at a very early age. I was always fascinated with words and what you could do with words and how you could twist them. And got into Dylan and Leonard Cohen and writers like Brendan Behan and Yeats, William Burroughs. But Damien Dempsey and Jinx Lennon, the likes of them, you know, they were singing in their own accents about things they could relate to.
We won't shed no tears for the good old days, but for talk's sake we can mourn them in a song. And the truth be told, they were made us so. I'll say God bless you and bless all who belong to thee.
Education and music. You know, it was like the perfect antidote for an angry young man. At that age, he wanted to express himself and use music and writing as a means to do that, you know.
By the pork factory houses, where the bicycles are travelling in unison.
You get a call from Damien Dempsey, you get to support him.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
It's a privilege.
Absolutely amazing. So how did that come about?
I just met him at a gig in Dundalk in the Spirit Store and had a chat with him and sent him on some of my songs, you know, and we just, he could see where I was coming from.
Yeah.
We had love, not money, and to those that stung me, I would greet them with the tipping of my cap.
We need to find out about the story about the tattoo on the arm. So it's a Clark shoe.
It is indeed.
Why? What possessed you to get the shoe?
My family has massive links with the shoe and boot industry.
Okay.
They used to thrive in Dundalk in the 60s, and I just came in and showed them the sole of my shoe.
Yeah.
Ha! We won't shed no tears for the good old days, but for talk's sake we can mourn them in a song. And the truth be told, they're so. I'll say God bless you and bless all who belong to thee.
Yeah, so The Good Old Days is the tune that you're performing for us today. Tell me about that.
I came across a book about the emergency, you know, World War II and rationing, and these great images of guys doing patrols in the FCA with hurls and things like that. And I just got flooded with all these images and tried to nab them before they disappeared, you know. But short bursts, it just come spiraling out, and I just try to capture it.
I'll say God bless you and bless all who belong to thee, and bless all who belong to thee. God bless all who belong to thee.